Hey everyone, welcome to Wyler channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your monitor suddenly turns on or off. Basically, a black screen. First, check the cables. They cause 90% of monitor flickering on-off issues. So check cables and connectors. If cables are fine, let's look at software issues. Go to Start menu, find Screensaver. Just type screensaver in search. Here's the screensaver in Russian. Click and select here. It shouldn't be there. Make sure to disable it. This could cause flickering. Also click to change power settings. Click Change Power Plan here. Set Turn Off Display to Never. This can affect monitor flickering. Click Save Changes and exit. Okay, next we'll go to the Device Manager. Here we'll look for our graphics card. I've got this NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click it, hit Update Driver, then Auto Search for drivers. Windows says I've got the latest, but that's not actually true. To check for real updates, I use NVIDIA GeForce Experience. For AMD, use AMD Radeon software to see current drivers. This can really help you out. I've had screen flickering issues due to drivers before. Updating should fix that problem. That's all for now. This has been Wyler. See you later.